BricsCAD Mechanical V24.2, we've made some updates to our AM part ref feature. We've made creating multiple instances of part references easier by enabling users to reference an existing part reference, eliminating the need for manual recreation. The new part references are associative with the existing parts list, increasing efficiency and accuracy. To now reference an existing BricsCAD block, the metadata in the block is automatically transferred to the part reference. With the new AM part ref dialog, it's easier than ever to update your part references with the information required. These updates are part of our commitment to AutoCAD mechanical parity and integration with BricsCAD mechanical features. A new feature to BricsCAD Mechanical V24.2, but a familiar feature to users coming from AutoCAD Mechanical, is the AM balloon command.